Hi everyone, I'm Caitlin Wright with the Wright Choice with App Properties here in St. Charles. Today I want to give you a market update for March 2025. For all things St. Charles, go ahead and hit that subscribe or follow button. Let's dive into the numbers. Currently, we have 1.31 months supply of inventory on the market. That means if no new homes were to come on the market, it would take 1.31 months to sell all of the existing homes. Over the last 12 months, we've seen a decrease of 28.02% in the month's supply of inventory, indicating a strong demand for homes in our area. The sold to list price percentage is at 101%, meaning that on average, homes are selling for 1% above the list price. This shows that sellers are receiving strong offers and buyers are willing to pay a premium for homes in our area. Median days on market is 21, which is relatively low compared to previous years. Homes are selling quickly, so if you're a seller, now might be a great time to list your home. Lastly, the median sold price in St. Charles is $375,000. This is a great indicator of the overall health of our market and shows that home values are holding strong. Whether you're a buyer or a seller, these numbers can help you make informed decisions in today's market. If you have any questions at all or are interested in buying or selling a home, feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help you navigate the real estate process. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you for the next update. Happy house hunting.